The AI Assistant is a powerful tool on the Samsung Interactive Display WAF that assists the teachers in their instruction. When you select the AI Assistant app, a toolbar appears on the screen, providing instant access to a suite of AI tools designed specifically for teachers. This toolbar is fully customizable. You can move it anywhere on the screen, allowing you to interact with the AI tools while working with any content displayed. Whether you're working directly on a Samsung Interactive Display or connecting another device, wired or wirelessly, to the board, the toolbar seamlessly integrates with your setup. The first tool you'll notice is the Circle to Search feature on the toolbar. This innovative tool allows teachers and students to circle any item on the screen and instantly search for more information. While you're teaching a lesson on the solar system, a student may ask a question about a specific planet. With Circle to Search, you can circle the planet on the screen and quickly pull up detailed information, images, and even videos for deeper exploration. Students can also use this tool independently. If they see an unfamiliar planet, like Neptune, they can circle it to learn more. It's a powerful way to encourage curiosity and engagement in the classroom. Next, the AI Assistant includes an audio capture feature. By selecting the record button on the toolbar, teachers can record all audio from a connected USB microphone or webcam. As the teacher leads a discussion, their voice is transcribed in real time. This transcription can be shared with students or teacher teams in multiple ways. It can be emailed directly to participants, uploaded to cloud drives like Microsoft OneDrive, or integrated into your learning management system. Beyond transcription, the AI Assistant uses Samsung's education-focused AI to generate automated discussion summaries. Create a summary with timestamps by pressing Summary at the top. These summaries include key terms and concepts, headers for easy navigation, short summaries of each section, and timestamps for quick reference. With just one click, teachers can share these summaries with students, making it easier for them to review and retain key information. These tools are designed to empower teachers, saving time and enhancing the learning experience. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see how educators will use these features to take their instruction to the next level.